Ready? No more store-bought veggies, growing my own food. Yeah, in this urban area, that's the aim. Can it be achieved? It is achievable. So yeah, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all so much for your warm welcome back. I appreciate you one and all. God bless you all. All right, so let's finish up here. Alright, so let me give you a close-up. So this is what it looks like now. So I'm leaving these 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 2 little ones inside here. So what will happen, it will continue to grow, push out new leaves. These get bigger. You will see them in maybe 2 weeks or so. You'll think that I never harvest from this. Look at these babies. So I could get it all, but I didn't want that. All right, I want to keep coming back for more. Yes, my Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam. All right, so I'm getting these okras right here, and just to confirm, they are Hill Country Red Okra. I actually found the package. So I got them mixed up, but these are good. I wasn't expecting that because they are so big. I mean, I was wondering what is that going to taste like, but they're actually good. If you have eaten it before, comment below and tell me your thoughts about these. Lovely. All right, so no, I'm getting these yellow pear tomatoes, and these babies are always giving. Some of them are so tiny. Look at this one. So tiny. Man, they're so cute. Yeah, I think that's it for that. Look at this little nice cucumber. We're getting this one today. Cucumber is actually one of my favorites today, guys. So yeah, that is why my smell is so wide. I ring it off like this. Nice and easy. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so I'm getting these catch money peppers right here. They're so amazing in the pot. They season so well. The other one that I'm going to get, it's a little hotter than this, but I'm telling you, it's hot enough, but it's just as a nice, lovely flavor. Separating the sheep from the goats. A few over here. So these are the ones that are a little hotter. The real Scotch bonnet peppers. This one cutie. Look at this banana pepper right here. I accidentally broke it off, when I was moving things around. What a shame. Alright, so I'm getting these callaloo or amaranth here, here, and there. Yeah, that's it. Nice and tender. Stink bowl, of course. I can put these with the pak choys. I'm going to leave that one. This one, of course they eat it up, but they leave some for me. Soak it in salt, good to go. Nice. So I leave the main stem to have it continue to grow for me. So I'll have harvest for quite some time, which is good. Yeah. A friend of mine needs some of these parsley, but I am going to get them in the morning. I'm going to let them get them fresh and nice. Aren't they looking lovely? And they smell so strong. So good. Alright, I'm also getting this sweet pepper. I think maybe when I was moving it around, it got bruised right here, as you can see. So I don't want it to spoil. So I'm getting it.
What a nice place to live.
It's small, but still can be used. Isn't that beautiful? I still have a few plums, June plums right here that I need to get, because if I don't get them, they are going to ripe and fall off. They are literally turned, yes, almost ripe, so I'm getting them. So I noticed this one right here. Look how easy it come off. Ready, ready, ready. Oh, let's see if I can reach this one while here. One was on here? No. Oh, this one. Come off so easy, and these ones are harder to see because they have a little coating, a gray coating over them. I need to reach that one over there and don't damage this one. Let me go around. Better. Alright, so this one, so easy come off. Look at there. I'm going to give you a close-up of my basket. Alright, this one can stay a little more. Should I let it stay? Alright, let it stay. But it is turn as well. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.